Dracula didn't invent this trick, but he would have loved it. Bet you can make fire with blood. Since this trick involves fire, be sure to have an adult present before you begin. You can get hydrogen peroxide solution at any drugstore. When you pour the hydrogen peroxide on a source of blood like red meat, you will see bubbles start to form. Lots of bubbles. Now for the gory part. The best source of blood is a piece of fresh liver. The kids are going to take the liver and put it in that dish and pour in the hydrogen peroxide and wait for the bubbles to form. Lots of bubbles soon cover the surface of the liquid. And now for the fire. Light a long bamboo skewer and bring the flame over to the foam on the top of the dish.
Oh.
Got some fireworks going on over there.
Vampire.
Ooh.
Oh, smell. It's burning it. It's melting.
Oh, it's melting.
Well, I think it'll
Ooh.